Okay, guys, coming to the bench with another big box. Gonna find out what's in it. We're gonna do this one on camera. I'm trying to take up too much time doing this. The easiest part right here. Oh, something came flying out. Hey, main hobby. Yep, this came from A Man Hobby, but we ain't gonna worry about that. We worried about what's in the box. Bam! It's the Stampede 4x4 Bl/2s. Here it is, guys, on the bench. We're gonna crack this thing open. We'll check out the box art. I mean, I guess we can take a quick look. It's the same thing on every side. You know, this thing comes in two colors. I like this shot right here. This is nice. That front shot and then that side shot. That's always a nice shot, right, guys? Of course, now look at that. All the details, everything you need to know about what they've done with this chassis and the electronics, new stuff. I'm of the mind, and I've heard many things about it being the new hotness for the racing circuit. Open this guy up right away. You see that Traxxas controller. Pull that out. I heard a lot of good things about this truck, man. That's why I want to try. I hear it's actually just a kind of watered down Hoss. So if it's a watered down Hoss, regular TQ controller, not TQI, just TQ. One control, one button. We ain't worried about that. You know, we got a controller. This dude here is for sale. And yeah, I went with the popular green color, guys. Popular green color. We're gonna set that on top of the box. Worry about the other stuff. You know, it comes with the standard stuff. Spaces for the shocks and owner's manual and, you know, the exploded views and all these things. Traxxas is real complete with what they give you, little tools. You know, they're really, you know, thorough. They give you everything you need, man. When you get an RC from Traxxas, you'll have everything you need, with the exception of a charger. With some models, you get a charger. You take this out here, set the truck on the bench. You know what it is. Get this tape off. You know, it's got that clipless body system on here, so I guess I gotta reach in here, turn that. That's on. As soon as that's off, it ain't coming right off quick, guys. So I got to learn to get used to this, because everything I've always had a clip-on body. Just everything I know release. There we go. There we go. Yep. You only got your green. It was either green or blue, right? No red, no orange. Like the Hoss and all that. Hoss had orange. People say the body ugly. I kind of like this, man. I've always been a fan of Traxxas graphics, though. And we're going to get a close-up look at this thing. It's nice, y'all. Nice. Flush suspension. Traxxas shocks, you know, if you know how to tune them, with the exception of those weak axles inside of them, weak shafts inside of them. You know, Traxxas shocks, they do their job. You know, they do their job. You know what I'm saying? They do their job. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna get on the bench now and check this thing out up close. We at the table. Like I showed you the body. You know all about that internal skeleton that protects the body from heavy crash and stuff like that. Seems pretty sturdy, man. Seems pretty sturdy. I think it'll work out good. This motor's proprietary to this ESC. As you can see by the plug. I guess if you want to, you can, you know, unplug and splice some things. As long as you don't go past 2S. This ESC only goes up to 2S. And trust me, I wouldn't push it. I know that there are people that are gonna. The clip for the batteries, it swivels. That's supposed to be so you can accommodate bigger batteries. People say they have a hard time with this, but I got a plan for this. I hope it works for me, because I see how you can just push it out. Look at that. You can just kind of shove it out of there. See, it swivels though, so you can accommodate bigger batteries. I got it on a high setting, spinning around. That's back to standard 2S. So they expect you to change it. A lot of these features are those that are on the Haas. And of course, you know it's got the heavy duty suspension. So of course we got to take a look. You see the heavy duty drive axles and the heavy duty carriers on this thing. Yeah, they're using composites in a lot of places. The steering links are composite. All of the camber links are composite. Camber links are composite. You can add body posts to this if you want to go without a clipless body, but I ain't gonna worry about that. I'm gonna wait till, this body wears out. Tires seem pretty good. Of course, this is really a stunt truck. Got a nice smooth roll. It is what it is. It's kind of cut and dry, Flip it underneath. It's not low CG. And of course you can see the 2075 servo. I'm not a huge fan of Traxxas servos in that regard. That's kind of why I got this. I want to compare the two. I know the arrma Big Rock's gonna be longer than this. I can tell that already. But hey, this is longer than the Stampede original design. So we're just gonna see what's what, man. Bumpers seem like they got some nice flexibility. They're gonna take some impacts. This truck's not hugely heavy. It's not a heavy truck. So I don't have a battery to test this. I do not own a Traxxas battery. So I'm gonna have to create something. So just 1 minute. But this is going in here. Smaller but stronger. This is the SC10, guys. 2S to 4S, as you can see. SC10, 2S to 4S, ESC, the Max 10, my friend. That's what's going in here. So I'm about to start pulling this apart because I'm not keeping this in here. Yes, I'm about to void the warranty. I just bought this thing and I'm about to void the warranty. Anyway, I'm doing what I'm gonna do. I usually don't buy a new RC, but because this came with what you would do, I'm gonna run with it. I got a couple things to change out. I got like this electronics. This servo, excuse me, I almost said ESC. This servo, obviously, yeah, I'm gonna change out the ESC, put this Max 10 in. And the Max 10, this came from my machete right here. Wearing the yeah, it ain't about this, it's about this. So I'm gonna go ahead on and unplug this here. And I'm going to get to wrenching because this is what we doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, see what I do with it. Smash the like. Like I said, share. We trying to make the hobby better. So let's share, speak the truth. We speak the truth, and then, people can't just sell you random junk and stuff like that and call it RC. It's TKS Hobby saying be blessed, be safe, and if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. Peace.